Huh?
Oh, it's a it's a wow!
What?
It's a birdfish.
Birdfish? Yellow boxfish.
I don't see the yellow.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
don't see.
what's that?
It's Molly.
Clownfish.
Clownfish,
Yeah.
like Molly, is
Yeah.
the same.
It's the same. Clownfish and
Yeah.
Molly is the same.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's the same.
Yeah. Oh, what that one? What's next?
You like that horse?
Yeah.
And you can drive it, and it's so fast.
Mm-mm.
It can drive so fast.
Mm-mm.
It can walk so fast.
Mm-mm.
See?
Oh,
So fast.
so fast. You like to ride at the horse
And
also?
it's spinning.
Titan.
You like to sakay it?
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah. Remember you sakay at the horse?
Yeah, it's a unicorn. It's the same.
Unicorn?
Yeah?
Mm,
It's the same.
the same?
Yeah, and I don't sakay it.
I'm just scared. You're scared at the kabayo.
And I don't see the big dog.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where?
At the see? Look. You
Oh,
like to get that?
what's
You
that?
like to get that one at the farm?
Yeah.
He does kulong lately.
Mm-mm.
You like to get at the cowboy house?
Yeah. Mahulog ka.
And you like to drive?
Yes.
There's a girl at the cowboy house. See? So
Mm-mm.
cute.
So cute. The
Yeah.
kabayo.
Yeah?
You like
So-
also kabayo?
You like to hold the baby caballo?
No, I'm scared.
No, the baby caballo.
I'm scared also at the baby.
But the baby is so small now.
Hindi ka ba scared sa kabayo?
The small baby.
Hindi na scared?
Later the mommy horse gonna be have a baby.
Yes.
Later.
Yeah.
And later you can see it.
Yes.
And I can see also.
Yes.
And it's gonna be have a baby.
Mm-mm.
Later it's almost eat.
Mm-mm.
It's almost eat so many and it's gonna be have a baby.
Mm-mm. Oh, look, what color?
This color